Hello everyone, how to do it? So back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your account in Bumble dating application or social application. So you can see this is the Bumble app, so you need to tap on your app. Once you enter in your app, then you will see you can create your account in two ways. The first of all, you can continue with Facebook, so you have to log in through or create your account through Facebook. And another option, you can create your account using your phone number. So it's really easy. So I'm just going to show you how to connect with the Facebook. So continue with Facebook, I just tap on the first option, or you can also use but your account your Facebook account have to log in on your device. So I'm just simply tap on the continue. Okay, it's really easy. Tap on the continue. So it's loading now, and it's automatically redirected on your Bumble application. So set your location. So this time I just going to not now, or you have to give your name here. So I'm just giving my name, and then this will be shown on your profile. Okay, and then you can see, simply tap on that and add your first two photos. So you have to give your two photos here. So I'm just going to choose photos from my gallery, or you can upload Facebook and Instagram. So I'm just going to upload from gallery. So you have to allow this. So I'm just randomly choose photos, save. So it's loading now. You have to add two photos, otherwise you will not able to proceed. Okay, so I'm just going to take another two photos, like another one photos from this one, save. So once it uploaded, then it's available here. You can see you can add more photos. So I'm going to tap here, and you can give your birthday here. So just I'm giving randomly, and after that proceeds. Make sure this account correct, you can change later. Okay, you have to give the correct. So I'm just going to confirm, and you have to check your gender, man, and like man your profile shown. Okay, and after that date or BFF, best friend. So I'm just going to proceed. Who would you like to date? So you can choose. So and then continue. What are you hoping to find? So something casual, or you can relation, you can type anything, I'm not sure it. So continue, and here is some interest. You can choose like mindfulness, like sleeping oil therapy. You can add cricket, yoga, or you can add more creativity, design, going out, stand up. I'm just choosing randomly. Okay, you can choose voice. Then after that, simply tap here and add recovery emails. I'm just going to skip now. You can add later if you want. And got it. 24 hours connect. Okay, I agree. And add your first photos. So it's all over. I'm just going to add more account. It's really have to just choose whatever they want. So I'm just going to choose randomly photos. Add these photos. So it takes a while, and deny this, or it's you have to enable this location. So after that you can do this print. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.